I got this, and I'm also wearing some little goggles, like sunglasses. And I'm going to put this on high. You might think, how is a drill bit going to do that? I'm just going to use the edge of this. I have to kind of dig it in at the back and then ream it. I had a reamer bit, but last time I had a tool giveaway on my drill, I gave all the stuff away, and now I have to replenish that stuff. Jeez, forgot about that. So I got to drive it into the back. Let's see here. Now I'm into the back. It's not going to go anywhere. I'm kind of at an angle. Now I can use the angle and kind of ream on the side here. Need to extend this out a little bit. Get it a little bit longer here. They have a reamer bit with all kinds of teeth on it, a little bit shorter than this, and then that really works well. I'm gonna leave it, I think, right there. Now I have to clean off this edge because I don't want anyone to goober up their finger, get a metal sliver in them. Now I just go sideways here. A little bit of an edge at the bottom in case the latch, the strike plate, latch, deadbolt latch, if it hits right there, that might make a difference at the very corner. If you do that a while, you might want to get a different drill bit because I might be dulling the edges of this, so you could try a different one. But I think I've got it now. Let's try it out. Let's try this bad boy out. Okay, no tricks here. You know, it's still hitting something just ever so slightly. I'm not quite sure what it is. And you can mess around with your latches a little bit. I think it's hitting, might be hitting right down here at the bottom even. Still. Oh, look at that. I broke it. I broke a drill bit. That's going to happen sometimes. For this purpose, it's actually working a little better now. Because see, inside this, there's a little plastic black goodie that pre-finishes it off. Lots of doors, strikes don't have this, and I think that's what it was hitting. That's what it was hitting, I believe. So, let's see if I can't can't get that out of there. See, there's a portion of it. It's just sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. In this case, it was hitting that, had to come out. Sorry about that, Mr. Door. I have to remember about that broken bit, so next time I'm at the store, I get a new one. Look at that. Nice and easy now. Poor K now. I think I'm done. There you go. How to fix a sagging door and a rubbing strike plate, and that's it. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.